to remind me that
This call is
I
now
have to
being
start the
recorded.
recording. So the call is being recorded with your consent. So this is the problem. So just what I was telling is that in this problem you are having two forces in the z direction. So the resultant force that will also be in the z direction. So that will the line of action of the force. So we have to find out as a single force if possible with its line of action. So you can understand that the force will of course pass through the xy plane. The z will be 0. Clear? Are you able to understand what I'm telling? So we are having
Yes.
all the forces in the vertical direction, plus z minus z direction. So the resultant that will be only a z directional force, only k cap force. So it will pass through the xy plane somewhere. Point through which it passes that will be having coordinates x, y, 0. So the line of action that will cut the xy plane, and that xy I mean that point comma x y 0 that we have to determine. So let me draw the problem. So this is the plate actually. So at this point we are having a force. So this force is given to be F, and at this point we are having upward force which is given to be 2F, right? So what else? So these points has to be named. So this one is O. আর কি আছে দেখো এই point, these points are not given actually. So you have noted down the problem. You can take a screenshot or anything actually. You have noted the problem?
এই কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো
Yes,
আপনি
sir.
পাঠিয়ে দিন।
হ্যাঁ বলো।
এই কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো আপনি গুগল ক্লাসরুমে আপলোড করে দেবেন।
হ্যাঁ আমি আজকে করে দেবো, ঠিক আছে। I will upload the question papers today, the question paper for the last years and all, and certain suggestive question papers I will upload today. But bear in mind, try to do all the problems of Merriam and Craig because that is essential actually. So your civil, mechanical, all the core branches, I always suggest that always the total Merriam and Craig, try to do as much as problems as you can. That will be always helpful. ঠিক আছে, not from the standpoint of semesters also as well as from the standpoint of engineering mechanics also. So you are on engineering mechanics very deeply, very deep. I mean engineering mechanics and
But sir,
engineering
answers
mechanics.
of all the questions were not given in that. So how could we get that?
Huh?
Answers of all the questions in Merriam book is not given. There are only
Okay, I
few
will give you the
questions.
answer. Whatever there for sixth edition, all the problems are solved actually in my copy actually in notebook. So any problem you tell, I will be telling you the answer. And from sixth or seventh edition onwards. So in the sixth edition, you can see that all the questions are given actually. The answers are given actually from the seventh edition, I think, or sixth edition. I don't have the sixth edition actually. I have the seventh edition. So from the seventh edition, you can find all the answers of the problems. Fifth edition actually that has more number of problems. If you can compare, you will know actually. Fifth edition better, I think. So you can follow the fifth edition. Any problem you are doing, you are not sure of the answer, you can ask me. I will tell the answer. ঠিক আছে. So this is the result.
Sir,
Huh.
which book is we will solve first, 5th edition or 7th edition?
Fifth edition. See, I have to follow one book. It doesn't matter whether you are doing 5, 6, 4, third edition, doesn't matter. Okay? Because it is the same book that you are doing and almost the same problems that you are doing. Just you can see the problems are reshuffled or stated in a different way. So if you are doing 5th edition, you can do 6th edition, 7th edition, 10th edition, any edition. You are supposed to learn. Okay? So just you do the 5th edition because I have to refer to some book. I will be in the class. I will be referring to some problem numbers. So that is why I ask you to always. We should follow always the same edition of the book. So you always follow the fifth edition, not any other edition. ঠিক আছে? So let's find out the resultant force for this one. Resultant force R vector, that should be equal to কি হবে? It should be equal to, এখানেই আমরা করে নিতে পারি. So R vector, that is equal to 2F K cap. So this force is in the positive x direction. This force is in negative x direction. So that is why you should be having F K cap. So this should come out to be F K cap. So we have found the resultant force. So from this expression you can understand this resultant force that will be that will actually pass through the xy plane at some point. Clear? So that point, so let's assume that this passes through any point, say it meets the plane, or the resultant force R cuts the xy plane at any point, say. So cuts the xy plane at any point, say, let us assume that point to be xy0. Clear? So that xy0 we have to determine. So this is the first part of the question actually. So we have to determine. So number one is reduce the force system and force coupled system. So force coupled does I asked you. I am coming to that later actually. So that force coupled system we have to do, then determine the resultant of the system we have already determined, and we have to find out this line of action. So line of action means any point on the line of action of the force. If we could find out, we can find the force. So we have to find out the value of x, we have to find out the value of y. So any suggestion what we should be doing? So let us apply the Varignon's theorem. What is Varignon's theorem? So Varignon's theorem states that the moment of the individual forces, that should be equal to the sum of the moment of the individual forces, that should be equal to the sum of the resultant force about a certain point. So let's the point that we consider is the point O. So let us find out the moment at the point O due to the individual forces, and then again we will be calculating the moment at point O due to the resultant force, and then if we could equate, we can get the value. So for the individual forces, the moment O, so the moment of the forces at the point O, due to this I am writing it as individual forces. So moment of the individual forces at the point O, that should be equal to, so let's call this one. So this is the point. So we can name the points actually for our convenience. So let us call this point A, let us call this point B. So this is FA is F, and this is FB. So we can write it. So R cross F, so we can write expression to be ROA cross vector FA plus ROB cross vector FB. So what is ROA? So what are the coordinates of the point A? So the point A is having coordinates lying on the x-axis, so it will be having coordinates of 0. So A actually, so the position vector A is actually B I cap cross FA. So FA is actually minus F A cap plus OB. So what are the coordinates of the point B? So it is 2B actually. So that is 2B J cap. So it is 2B J cap cross the force is 2F K cap. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this you can calculate actually. So just using the concept of the unit vectors and all you can do. So I cross K, just let me do it in a easier fashion. So this is IJK, I cross J is K. So I cross K. So I cross K is actually minus J, right? So this minus will cancel. So first on this I cross K, this minus will cancel out. So you should be getting FB I cross J is J. And then this is 4FB J cross K. So cross K means plus I. So this should be plus 4FB I cap. So the answer that you should be getting is, if I take FB as common, so I should be having 4I plus J cap. So this is Roman 1. Clear? This is clear, or you want to explain me it in details?
No,
Hello?
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let's now find out the moment due to the resultant force. So let's now calculate m0 due to the resultant force. So the resultant force actually, so it will be passing through certain point actually. So let that arbitrary point be something, say, it can be like any point. We don't know that point. So let point be denoted P, and let's the coordinates of the point is x comma y actually. It should lie on the x-axis. So what will be the at this point I will be having the resultant actually. So I'm just drawing it in the positive direction. Say suppose this is. So what is the moment due to the resultant force? So the moment due to the resultant force m0, that is equal to r OP cross vector r. So OP, it has the coordinates of x I cap plus y j cap cross what is the resultant vector? So the resultant vector is vector কত এসেছিল? It came out to be
F
f k
cross.
F K cap.
cap.
K.
So just you simplify this one. So if you could like simplify this, it should come out to be, I feel, it should be minus x j cap plus y k cap, I think. F will be common. So if you could take f as common, it should be minus x j cap plus y I cap. Just do it, I think. You can do this one. So let's equate number 1 number 2. So using Varignon theorem, these two will be equal. So FB 4I cap plus j cap. So FB 4I cap plus j cap, that is equal to F into minus x j cap plus y I cap. So just do this one, and you just equate the coefficients of I cap and j cap. So equating them, you will be getting the values of y and x and y. So just calculate this one from this one. I hope you can do this one. So just f will be cancelling out. F is not 0. So this will be cancelling out. So just equate this one. So it should be
Minus b.
huh?
Minus B and 4B.
Okay,
minus b y 4
Let me check. X will be minus b and y will be 4b. So this is the answer that you should be getting. Clear? So it is actually not lying on the plate actually. So it is actually, so if I could plot the point actually, so x is minus what? Minus b. So it is on this where it lies actually. So if you could determine where it lies, so minus b means this point, and what else? Y is 4b. 4b means just it will somewhere around there. Okay, so at this point actually, though, so it is see, this point is actually outside the plate, right? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes we ask, sir, how can the force be go outside the plate? Okay, so you can see that though it's the forces are acting on the surface of the plate actually, still the resultant force is somewhere outside of the total body actually. The total plate actually is outside the body. Clear?
Sir,
The next
force and couple combination.
force couple combination. Yeah, that thing we have to determine. So force couple combination is, so we have got the force actually. So now let's draw the resultant force. That is easy, nothing to be done actually. So just that's the realization. Next second. So this was the actually. So let R be somewhere. Let R be somewhere here actually, or like I could draw now. In fact, how actually? Let's not draw the plate. Let's just draw the axis system for this one. So this is Z, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. So the force is acting somewhere around here. So this is R. So what we do is generally, so what was the procedure that we follow? So this is vector R. So just let us apply two equal and opposite forces. So at the point O, I want to replace the force. So what will happen is, so this force and this force, they will form a couple actually. So what is the moment? So the moment actually should be equal to what we had calculated actually. This one or that one, anyone you can take. So this is the actual value. So this m0 will be acting there. So the force couple system is, the force is actually the resultant force at the point O. ঠিক আছে? So there is a resultant force at the point O. I am switching it into the point O, and there is a moment whose value is that one, 4FB into the value was 4 I cap plus J cap, I think. So actually that entire thing actually 4 I cap plus J cap. So this is the force couple system at the point O. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see, the question was we have to determine the equivalent force couple system for this one. So we have to determine the equivalent force couple system acting at the point 2. So force couple we had discussed on the last class. So how do we do it? We just apply two equal and opposite forces at that point. So O is our point of interest. So at the point O, I apply two equal and opposite forces. So this is equivalent to, so this and this will form one couple. So this one and this one will form a couple, and this one will remain. So this is the force I have written, and this couple is actually, the answer is this one. So just if you could calculate the couple of these two forces, it will come out to this one itself. ठीक है? So this came in the last year actually. So it's better that you get acquainted with all those problem shorts also. Because when engineering mechanics, you can understand that every problem is a new problem. So it's better you, when we discuss it from whenever it comes in the exams actually. So that is very much important. Those sort of problems that are important from the point of view of the exam. So this is the problem. So this you try by yourselves. Then I will study from the point that we discussed the last class. So see, this is the same problem. So there is a rectangular plate is subjected to four forces as shown. So we have to determine the equivalent force couple system acting at the door, and we have to also determine whether the resultant force vector R is actually perpendicular to that m0. Clear? So this is the problem number 137. So this you do. You try it now. Then I will be starting with the next problem. The problem where we left the last day. 137 could you do? Just আমি একটু বলে দিচ্ছি. I'm just explaining it. মানে একটু just বলে দিচ্ছি so that you can do it at your home. So just help me out with the problem. আমাকে একটু help করতে হবে. Just help me out with drawing the problem. Nothing else. So কি ছিল একটু just let me see if I have drawn it somewhere. আচ্ছা আমাকে হেল্প করো প্রবলেমটা কি করে just help me drawing this problem. কি আছে দেখো rectangular plate আছে, x y is in this side. So this is x, I think. So let me draw it somewhere here. This is x, this is y, this is z. What? এখানে there is the plate. কি আছে? This is B to B. এটা হচ্ছে সাইডে দুটো ডাউনওয়ার্ডস, ব্যাক সাইডে দুটো আপওয়ার্ডস. Just see whether I am drawing it correct. So this was F, this was F, and at this point we are having some force, and at this point there is an angular force, I think. It is 30 degree with the vertical.
Yes, sir.
Correct? F, B, 2B, 30. So this is B, this is 2B. আর এইখানে একটা F force আছে. So there is a force, this plane. So along with this there is a force. If this angle is 30 degree, right? Let me check.
Yes, sir.
এটা হচ্ছে 30 ডিগ্রি। So কি করে করব? How to do this problem? Very easy. So initially we have to calculate the resultant force. That's something we have to do. So let's calculate the resultant force vector R. So vector R will be equal to কি হবে?
minus f k cap minus
So let's name these points. ঠিক আছে, এই points গুলোকে একটু name করে নাও. So just name these points because you have to calculate the moment. So that is why it's better that you name the points. So vector R, that should be equal to FA, এখানেই করে নি, FA plus FB plus FC. So FA is actually minus FK cap. Correct?
yes sir
Then FB is this point. So this is, you have to calculate actually.
f cos
So
30
it will be having two components actually. So this will be actually plus কি হবে বলো?
f
F
cos
into, so
cos 30
F into, it will be having two components. So cos components, this will be the cos component in the y direction and this is in the z direction. So this is F cos 30 I j cap.
no sir cos 30
K
k cap
F cos 30 K cap.
That. So this is F cos 30 j cap
K cap.
and এইদিকে একটা component থাকবে, there will be a component
Cos
I
K cap.
minus I cap.
হ্যাঁ
F cos 30 K cap.
cos 30 K cap.
F, না এইটা 30 আছে, wait, this one is 30, তাহলে এইটা 30 হলে this one is 30, so z component is cos, this one will be sin, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ
Yes, sir.
So this one will be sin. So this is sin 30 degree j cap and plus cos 30 degree k cap. আচ্ছা এই দুটো হয়ে গেল। Now C point কি আছে? It is f k cap plus f k cap and at the point O you are having a negative force. So this is minus f k cap. So just this you have to calculate. It will simplify and it will come out to be something. It's given, I think. The answer for this one is given. So R actually just you could match whatever answer you are getting, that you could match. Next thing is we have to calculate M0. ঠিক আছে? So M0 you can calculate actually. So once you are getting the value of R actually, so what you can do is when an individual R से नहीं होगा because R you don't know what is the line of action of R, where it passes actually. So that is why you have to find out the point through which R passes. Unless you find that point, you won't be able to find out that value. So you have to find out the moment based on the individual forces actually. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me see whether I had solved it somewhere. So anyways, the answers are given, not a problem. So you can do it by yourselves also. So directly you cannot calculate. Either M0, in order to calculate M0, what you have to do is either you can use the resultant force vector R, or what you can do is R OA cross FA plus R OB cross FB plus ROC cross FC, and 0 point at the point O actually you will be having 0. So this forces will not be having any moment because the position vector is 0 itself. ঠিক আছে? So this will be 0. তাই তো? Hello?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
So এইটাকে তোমরা বাড়িতে করবে। So you have to do it at your homes. Just the value of ROA, FAFC you know written in the while calculating this one. So OA you have to write. OA will be 2B I cap. So this will be 2B I cap cross whatever is FA. B, what are the coordinates of the point B? So B is having my coordinates of B এর coordinate কি হচ্ছে বলো? 2B, B. So 2B I cap plus B J cap. So 2B I cap plus B J cap cross FB force, whatever is the force you have to write, plus OC. So what is the coordinates of the point C? So coordinate is B actually, 0B, 0 comma B. So this is B J cap. So ROC is actually B J cap. So this is B J cap cross whatever is FC you have to write. So then you have to do all these three cross products you have to do. You will be getting some answer. ঠিক আছে? So once you get all those answers, so M0 is also given. So it's given in this one. So I don't need to find where I have done it. So just M0, you are getting the value of R, you are getting the value of M0. These two, when you are getting, you just find, you just get this one. And how to know whether two vectors are perpendicular to each other?
Sir,
How
A
to
dot
know?
product 0.
Huh?
Dot product 0.
Dot product 0.
Very good.
Dot
So here
product
you
will
know
be 0.
vector R, you know vector M0. So just you calculate. So if it comes out to be 0, then we can say that this vector R is magnitude, this R vector is actually perpendicular to M0 vector. ঠিক আছে? So this one is your
Yes,
homework. Complete it at your home.
F sin কম্পোনেন্টটা কি স্যার কাপেল হবে?
If
F sin theta কম্পোনেন্ট যেটা F sin theta,
হ্যাঁ এখানে তো এখানে এই ধরো কোনটা সাইন কম্পোনেন্ট হচ্ছে দিস ওয়ান।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ,
ওটা হচ্ছে
কেন
couple
হবে না? এটা তো আছে তো, এটারও একটা মোমেন্ট কম্পোনেন্ট থাকবে তো। বুঝতে পারছো না মানে কি বলছো একটু বলো।
না, এটা জিজ্ঞাসা করলাম যে এটা তো থাকবে স্যার, এটা তো অ্যাড হবে।
অ্যাড হবে তো, সেটা এখানে অ্যাড হয়ে যাবে মানে this is in the vectorial form. So whenever you are writing FB, so FB টার্মটাতে it will come into picture. মানে when you write it actually it should be a total, এইটা একটা বড়, it should be a bigger cross product. So এইটা কত ছিল, it was something like this. So এই total thingটা you have to write F sin 30 plus cos 30, sin 30 j cap plus cos 30 k cap. So if it's common, sin 30 j cap plus cos 30 k cap. So now you have to do this cross product totally,
ঠিক আছে
and then you'll be getting the answer. It থাকবে total component. So when you're applying vectors, so just vectorially that will come out.
ঠিক আছে
This for the point FB actually. So it will be getting a contribution of moment for the sine component and contribution of moment from the cos component also. ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
তোমরা এই করতে জানো তো, how to calculate cross product? I have discussed. This is I cap, J cap, K cap. Just write down. This will be 2 B নিতে পারো. B actually SB, this thing actually you can take common. A beta you take it as common. So here you will be having 2 0 2 1 0, sorry 1 0, and here you will be having whatever is there, sin 30 0, sin 30 cos 30. You can write down values for them also. Then you have to simplify. This is a bigger problem, just you have to do it. You have to do it meticulously and check whether the answers are coming. Here.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the next part of this problem is what I had already discussed, that eta determine the equivalent force couple at point 2. So just force is the resultant force and the couple is A0. Just I discussed just how to calculate how we replace a force by a force couple. I had discussed many times. So just that you follow, nothing else. So just you write there is a force R at the point O and a couple of magnitude M0. So couple is a free vector, so you don't need to write the point O. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
we take the exam I did for the purpose of exam, and nothing else came from the first chapter. Now everything else is from the second chapter onwards. So first chapter you had just 2 questions. So all the 2 questions I had discussed for the last year, just not all the years. So I'm discussing the other years also. From 2018 onwards, I will discuss all the problems. Let me see whether I can share the problems by today. In the Google Classroom, you'll be ready with the problems, or you can start solving the problems by yourselves also at your home. So you just try this problem. I will just 2 minutes. I will be starting. So you try this problem 2102. Just try it. I will be solving it. Just start with this one 2102. ঠিক আছে? Just 2 minutes. I will start again. হ্যালো
Yes,
হ্যালো
sir.
হ্যাঁ এটা কি করে হবে এনি আইডিয়া
স্যার ফার্স্টে আমাদেরকে ফোর্সটাকে অরিজিনে মানে একটা রাফ ডায়াগ্রাম বানিয়ে নিতে হবে, দিয়ে ওই যেহেতু নর্মাল আছে তো এক্স ওয়াই জেড এর যেটা মাইনাস ওয়াই এক্স আর পজিটিভ জেড আর নেগেটিভ ওয়াই যে কোয়াড্রেন্টটা আছে ওই কোয়াড্রেন্টে ফোর্সটা হবে, এটা দেখেই বোঝা যাচ্ছে।
ঠিক আছে
তারপরে
অনেকটা মেবি ক্লোজার সো এনিওয়ান এলস
তারপরে
উড
যে
লাইক টু
ফোর্সটা
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে আমি শুনেছি তোমার কথা শুভম তোমার কথা শুনেছি আমি ঠিক আছে মানে ইটস ক্লোজার আর এনিওয়ান এলস উড লাইক টু অ্যাড সামথিং টু দ্যাট
স্যার দুটো
Sir,
পার্টে করে
we have
সলভ করব
calculated the
একজন
all
একজন
in
বলো
which
এনিওয়ান কে বলছিলে শুভম বলো
স্যার দুটো পার্টে ভেঙে পড়বো আগে যে 20 ডিগ্রি পার্টটা দেওয়া আছে ওটাকে সাইড করে শুধু ফ্রন্ট ডোরের পার্টটাকে আগে সলভ করে তারপর 20 ডিগ্রির কম্পোনেন্ট গুলো লাস্টে
আচ্ছা
রিসলভ
আচ্ছা
করে দেবো
ঠিক আছে মানে ইউ আর অ্যাকচুয়ালি কনভার্জিং উইথ হিম আর এনিওয়ান
স্যার
এলস
আমি
কুড সাজেস্ট সামথিং
স্যার আগে ওটাকে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ কে
স্যার
বলছিলে বলো ইমন
স্যার আগে ওটাকে along the xy প্লেনে একটা কম্পোনেন্টে ভাঙবো আর একটা জেড ডাইরেকশনে ভেঙে যাবে। যদি নরমালটাকে রেফারেন্স নিয়ে করি তাহলে একটা along the plane of door
very good so all of you are converging to the same point hello
To find p vector, it's like previous problems we have solved. I think we have to solve first pz and then pxy.
Okay, so let's
When
start
to
with the
do-
problem. So you can see that this is a frame of reference actually. Okay, the main thing is frame of reference. So the frame of reference, you can see that the z-axis actually that remains constant throughout the problem actually. Okay, but this x-axis is actually rotating. So initially, if we could draw the configuration when the door is actually closed. So when the door is actually closed, you can see that there is something n actually. So this n vector. So you can see that actually they have referred to axis system. So this is a moving frame of reference actually. So x is assume that that is fixed, and that this n is actually rotating. So let's first draw something. So let's initially draw the frame actually when it was the door was not rotated. The door was closed. When the door is in the closed position, so just follow telling. I hope you can understand. So okay, so it's একটু exaggerated আছে. So the figure is somewhat I'm trying to draw it, but it's somewhat exaggerated actually. মানে যেটা ছিল, so if it had been closed, x will be in this direction, and short of or in this direction x, and y was something like let's draw it some ধরো x টা আমার দিকেই আঁকছি, let's draw it x in this side, or y ছিল it was something like this, and this is the z axis. So z frame that does not move. So understand that with in the closed position, this n and x will coincide. So in that case, this n, so the moving frame, so this xy, so you see that there is something n actually, not n cap, n something written there. So when the door was actually closed, this n actually that coincided with the x axis. Clear? Now what is happening is you are now rotating the door. So now rotating the door 20 degree. So once you're rotating the door by 20 degree, so that extra thing actually remains. So what happens is this n gets rotated 20 degree. So each n vector touches. So this gets rotated by 20 degree. So now n is some this. Clear? So that
yes, sir.
This is actually 20 degree. So initially this was the x is actually the door closed position. Door closed position is where x and n actually coincided. Now that x actually remains at its position. So x is z are actually fixed frame of reference. Now when I am rotating the or when I am opening the door, what's happening is this n is actually moving. So you can see that there is n sort of thing. So that n is actually moving. So how much it will rotate? It will rotate by 20 degree from x. So once it rotates 20 degree by x. So now, so this P force that actually, so the configuration of P with n is constant. So what is the configuration? P makes an angle of 30 degree with the n vector. So now let's draw P force. So how to draw the P force now? So the P force now will be, so from this end, so if this is P vector in space, so this is the P vector. So P vector will be, this P vector will make an angle of 30 degree with n vector. So n is actually in the xy plane. N is a coordinate that is actually rotating in the xy plane. So this actually makes an angle of 30 degree with the P vector. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে? So now এবার আমাদের কি বের করতে বলেছে? Now you read the problem. So we are given the magnitude of the force P and vector and determine the angles theta x, theta y, theta z, which P makes with the x, y and z axis actually. So just if we could determine cos theta x, cos theta y, cos theta z, from there we can determine cos theta x, cos theta y and cos theta z. Just the unit vectors actually we are supposed to determine. So just this actually boils down to the problem that we had discussed in previously. So let's find out the components of the force. So in order to calculate the components of the force, so let us drop the, so let's calculate this one. So I am dropping this one. So this is actually Pxy. We had a discussion on this actually. So Pxy, I will be breaking down into two components. So it will be having, so parallel to x, you draw one line. So this is Py. And here actually break it into this component. So this is Px. So this one, and again this will be Pz. এটাকে যদি আমি আঁকি, so this will be actually Pz. এইটা, so just draw a line parallel to this one. So here actually you will be getting Pz. So this one is Px. This one is Py. So this one is Px. And this one is Pz. Clear? So let's now calculate. So this sort of problem we had discussed on the first previously also. So Pxy, that should be equal to P cos 30 degree. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is equal to P
Yes,
is
sir.
given. So the value of P is given. So this should be 8 cos 30 degree. So let's now calculate Px. So Px is the component of Pxy. So Px that should be equal to what? So Px that should be equal to Pxy cos 20 degree. So that is equal to 8 cos 30 degree cos 20 degree. So just you calculate. So it should come out to be just calculate. Then I will be telling the answer in pounds. And then again Py you have to calculate. So Py is the component of Pxy. So that should be equal to Pxy sin 20 degree. So this should be, so Pxy was 8 cos 30 degree sin 20 degree. So just to calculate what is the value in pounds. So just to calculate the value of Px, calculate the value of Py, and similarly Pz, Pz calculated here itself, keeping everything in one place. So Pz will be, ki habe? Pz is the component of this P. So that is P sin 30 degree. So you know 8 into sin 30 degree. So that is actually 4 pounds. So just calculate what is Px and Py coming out to be.
স্যার পিজেডটা কি করে এলো?
6.51 P.
6.51 px.
6.51. Px টা তোমার আসছে হচ্ছে, this should be 6.51 pounds. আচ্ছা Py টা তোমার আসছে হচ্ছে just whether it
2.37
pounds.
2.36.
So we have found the P vector. So P vector is actually P psi cap plus Py j cap plus Pz k cap. So everything you know. So what are the values actually you can put? So it is 6.51 I cap plus 2.37 j cap plus 4 k cap. So now how to calculate all these things, like cos theta x. So cos theta x, that is the direction vector actually. So that should be like ki hobe 6.51 divided by magnitude of vector p actually. You can write it as px divided by magnitude of vector p. So you have to just calculate root over of this thing actually. But magnitude of p will be 8 itself. So yes, you can put. So again cos theta y, that should be equal to 2.37 divided by magnitude of p, the vector. This is py divided by vector magnitude. And lastly, cos theta z, that is equal to 4 divided by 8. So we are getting it using pz divided by vector p. So from here you have to calculate the value of theta x, you have to calculate the value of theta y, and you have to calculate the value of theta z. Just calculate karo.
Sir,
So
theta
theta
is
is
coming to 35.5.
Huh?
Theta
theta
x is coming to be 35.5.
35.5 degree, theta y হচ্ছে 72.8 degree, theta z হচ্ছে 60 degree.
60 degree.
So this is the answer for this problem. দেখো clear কিনা, just let me know whether
Yes, sir.
কিভাবে
Yes, sir.
বেরোচ্ছে
clear.
ওটা একবার
হ্যাঁ
PZ টা কিভাবে বেরোচ্ছে?
EZ আচ্ছা দাঁড়াও এক সেকেন্ড
90 minus 90.
বলছি দাঁড়াও এক সেকেন্ড। এখানে দুটো প্রবলেম আছে। হ্যাঁ বল কি বলছিলে, কোশ্চেনটা কি?
স্যার PZ টা কিভাবে বেরোচ্ছে?
তাই তো, আচ্ছা PZ হচ্ছে তোমার কিছুই না, মানে আমি যদি এটাকে আরেকবার আঁকি, ইফ আই কুড ড্র ইট ওয়ান্স এগেন, মানে এখানে ইউ ফরগেট টু থিংস, লাইক মানে এখানে তুমি আগে জেড অ্যাক্সিসটা আঁকো, দিস ইজ দ্য জেড অ্যাক্সিস এন্ড দিস ইজ এনি অ্যাক্সিস, এনি এক্স ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিস, ঠিক আছে? সো দিস ইজ দ্য ফোর্স, সো এইটা হচ্ছে তোমার ফোর্সটা, দিস ইজ দ্য ফোর্স পি। সো এই ফোর্সটার অ্যাকচুয়ালি দুটো কম্পোনেন্ট থাকবে, তো হাউ টু ক্যালকুলেট দ্য ফোর্স? So what you have to do is this direction, so parallel to xy you have to, so I have to use the parallelogram theorem. So the parallelogram theorem, draw a line parallel to this one xy line, so draw a line parallel to xy, so this is the pz component, so this is pz component, ঠিক আছে? This one is the pz component, and draw a line parallel to the z axis, so this one is pxy. Now you draw what else you require. Now you draw the xy axis. So this was p vector. So how to break this p vector? So p vector ta ki hobe? So pz, that should be equal to p. So ei angle ta jodi, ei angle ta ki chilo? This angle was
30 degree.
30 chilo, তাই তো? So if this is 30 degree, so this should be p sin 30 degree.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এবার তুমি এটাকে backtrack করো. Now you do backtrack this one. So now this xy, this is the xy axis, and this is the x axis. Anyway, like this was, let's let this be the y, the way we draw. This is x, this is y. So axy ta, now pxy, you break it into two components. You draw a line parallel to x axis, this is the py component, this thing, this to this is the py component, and you draw a line parallel to the y axis, so where you meet, so this one is the px component. Clear? So pz component ke pete gele, so in order to get the pz component, you have to draw a line parallel to this line actually, this xy line actually. বোঝা গেল? মানে যেখানে তোমার actually where the component of p actually lies on the xy plane. মানে p will actually have two components. মানে p is having three components, but initially break it into two components. So one component will be pz, and other one will be somewhere on the xy plane actually. ঠিক আছে? pxy component. So the xy component এর সাথে, so with that component direction, so along with this direction you have to draw a line actually. So then you will be arriving at certain point where you will be getting pz. Clear? হ্যাঁ, মানে initially p vector you assume that p is having three components, ঠিক আছে? px, py, pz, এই দুটোকে মিলে এটাকে একটা আমি pxy বলছি। So these two I am calling it as pxy actually. So initially I am having two components, pxy and pz, and then I am breaking pxy into px and py. So এই pxy এর সাথে this direction actually, along with this direction, so this is given actually, so this is 30 degrees. So with this direction you have to draw this line, this parallel line. So this line has to be drawn parallel to this line, then you will be arriving at the you will be getting the value of pz. Clear? যেটা আমি initially আঁকলাম, which I initially drew. So this initially
Yes.
you only draw Z, you draw XY, and you draw the force. Now how do you find out the component? Draw a line parallel to Z axis and draw a line parallel to the XY axis. So this is PZ. ঠিক আছে, ক্লিয়ার? যে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিলে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হুম। So there are huge problems. এত করানো সম্ভব নয়। Just মানে there are many types and many sorts of problems যেগুলো সবসময় মানে even if I want to do all the problems still it's মানে it will eat up too much of time. ঠিক আছে, আমাদের তো টাইমটাও fixed. Our time is fixed for the semester, and you can understand that out of all those problems only 2 problems will appear in your semester. So that is why we have to curtail actually. Well, we have to do problems that actually suits the concepts. ঠিক আছে, so আমি last problem from this one, force system is 2106 I will be doing, and maybe today or maybe on the next class we will be doing some more problems on moments from the 3D, and then we will conclude this chapter. We will be starting the next chapter from the next week. ঠিক আছে, maybe কালকে or Saturday we will be completing this chapter, and from Saturday I will be from Monday onwards I will be starting the next chapter, which is equilibrium of forces. You can continue doing the problems. You can ask whenever you are having one problem in any chapter. So this is a door actually. It is held at 30 degree in the open position by a chain AB actually. So if the tension in the chain is given to be 100 Newton, so we have to determine the projection of the tension force on the diagonal axis CD of the door. So you can see that there is a CD thing. So on CD actually you have to find out the projection of the force. So projection, you know how to find out the projection. What we have to do? We have learned vectors.
Cos component, sir.
Cos,
I mean,
why you don't
well-
do cos component? Which one? How to do that? How to find out the
ফোর্সের সাথে
projection?
ওই ফোর্সের সাথে ওই ইউনিট ভেক্টর ডট প্রোডাক্ট
Concept ভুল হয়ে যাচ্ছে তো। Suppose you are in this case actually you have to find out what? You have to find out the projection of T on CD, correct?
ফোর্স ইনটু সিডি ইউনিট
Sir, unit vector CD we have to
unit
calculate.
Unit vector along CD.
What you have to do is you have to do the dot product of these two. So CD is any direction. CD is just any direction. So you have to find a unit vector in the direction of CD. So what you have to do is, let me do this. So this is T vector into, just you find out the RCD. So you find out the dot product between T vector and RCD vector. So you should be getting magnitude of T vector into RCD vector magnitude into cos theta. What is the angle between the two? So this one actually, so T cos theta actually, this will actually form the component. So let me take this as one. So this is actually, so let me call it TCD, but PCD, projection on CD. So PCD dot RCD. So what will be the projection on CD? So the projection PCD is given by, find out the dot product divided by the RCD. So what is this one? This one is a unit vector in the direction of CD. So this is vector A into unit vector. So generally I represent unit vector by NCD actually, or sometimes in the book actually you can see that unit vectors are represented by CD. Okay, so just you have to multiply the force into a unit vector in the direction where you want to find its projection. So just multiply the force vector with the unit vector. This is the force vector, F vector. Multiply the force vector with the unit vector in the direction where you want to find out the projection of this force. Clear?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so আমাদের কাজ কি? So our work here is, so initially you find out the force vector, then you calculate the position vector CD, and you will be done with the problem. So for that one, let's draw the problem. So just in this case, you have to understand that for this book, they have given certain problems which conform to actual day-to-day things actually, or rather engineering applications. They have focused mostly on engineering applications. So the concepts are same, just you have to focus, or you have to understand what is the how to apply the concept related to the problem being chosen. So just I'm drawing the problem. So here drawing is difficult when the problems are very big as well. So I'm just drawing a line diagram for that one. So this is the position. So initial this was a certain position, and here also you are having a certain position. So it's being rotated. Okay, so it's being opened. So this is being rotated so that at this position you are getting that thing like AB. So this is the door actually AD being formed. Clear? এইখানে তোমাদের এই AD টা তৈরি হচ্ছে। এইটা A, এইটা D. This one is A, this one is D. So I'm drawing the door to be formed. So this is the door. এই পয়েন্টটা হচ্ছে C, আর কি আছে বলো? So এই পয়েন্টে there is a vertical line. So if you draw a vertical line of height say 900 millimeter, and then that's being joined. So this angle, a angle is given to be 30 degree. So this is given to be 30 degree. At a point, if I could like draw a vertical to Z, a vertical parallel to Z actually. So there is a point around somewhere here, which we are calling it as B. So the string actually, the supporting string that is passing from this point. So this is the string actually. Let me draw it with a different color maybe. So let's draw it by this color so that you can understand that this is the string that is actually holding this one. আচ্ছা তোমাদের কটা অবধি ক্লাস নেওয়ার কথা ছিল? 8টা না? মানে just remind me, ঠিক আছে? I tend to forget things. So that is why just please remind me once the time is over. কটা অবধি ক্লাস নেওয়ার কথা ছিল?
স্যার ওরকম কিছু কথা হয়নি,
হ্যাঁ?
ওরকম কিছু স্যার বলেননি তো।
আচ্ছা না, তোমরা যতক্ষণ বলবে ততক্ষণই, মানে আই এম ডান আর কি। এটা করে আমি মেবি একটা মোমেন্টের প্রবলেম যদি তোমাদের টাইম হয় আমি 8টা অবধি করিয়ে ছেড়ে দেবো। আর একটা মানে অ্যাটলিস্ট উই গেট ইন্ট্রোডিউস টু মোমেন্টস সো দ্যাট ইউ ক্যান স্টার্ট ডুইং দ্য প্রবলেমস এট ইওর হোম, and next day we will be completing this chapter, just certain problems. ঠিক আছে? If you have any problems in this chapter, just we can the next day, anytime we can discuss. So next day, since we are already
স্যার এই অবধি থাকুন না, একটুখানি সময়।
hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Voice.
Yes, sir.
So আগে এখানে initially we have to calculate vector t, ঠিক আছে? So vector t টা কি করে calculate করব? Could someone help me out? So vector t টা কি করে calculate করব? So vector t
0.9142 I cap.
One second. Let me read the problem just. So if the tension in the chain is 100 Newton, so the tension will be in the direction AB actually, A to B actually. So this door is held in position by the chain AB. So the tension is 100 Newton. Okay? So we have to do it like, so if we want to calculate, so initially we have to calculate the force vector. So force vector T. So T vector that is equal to magnitude into a unit vector in the direction of AB. So that is equal to, so what is the magnitude of the force? So the magnitude of the force is given to be 100 Newton, I think. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Into, so I have to find out the position vector of RAB and divide it by its magnitude. So let's initially calculate the RAB. So what will be position vector of RAB? For that you have to write down the coordinates of the point B and subtract the coordinates of the point A. So what are the coordinates of the point B? So we have to choose one point as the origin. So in this problem, this point itself is given as the origin, this point C. So this point itself is given as the origin, so no need to worry. So what are the coordinates of the point B? So B is actually
0
X is
0 900
so এগুলোকে আমরা মিটারে করে নিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে? We are converting it into meters actually. So 0 কেন হবে? এটা তো আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ, X it's lying on the YZ plane actually. So B point that actually lies on the YZ plane. So 0.12 and 0.9 I think. তাই তো?
yes sir
0, 1.2 or 0.9. What are the coordinates of the point A? A is lying on the, I think XZ plane actually.
0.9
0.9 cos 30
Exactly. So this is 0.9. So 8 is 0.9. So this we have to understand that this one is 0.9 meters. It is the 0.9 high. So you have to find out the coordinates. So therefore that you have to drop a vertical on this. Okay? So once you drop a vertical on this one, that will be 0.9 cos 30. So এখানে so I draw it on the side plane actually. So this is the point C. Acha, this is point A. ঠিক আছে? এইখানে এটা rotation করা হয়েছে. So I don't need that point. I need its coordinates on the x-axis. So that is why I have to draw a vertical. So this is actually 30 degrees. So this is R, but this is 0.9. So this one will be 0.9 cos 30 degree. So just I'm looking from this side. So this is 0.9 cos 30 degree. So x is actually your 0.9 cos 30 degree, 0.9 cos 0.9 cos 30 degree, comma, it is on the plane, so it will be 0. What is
So,
it?
0.9 sin 30
Again project karo. So this one is the Z. So this is actually 0.9 sin 30 degree. So this will be 0.9 sin 30 degree. Clear? So everything, so a position vector does. So just you could simplify. Just মানে একটু just কি বলবো মানে অনেক calculations আছে. It's calculation intensive problem. So just do the things at your home. So just it will take some time, nothing else. So 1.2 j cap plus 0.45 just you could calculate this root actually. So root over this one, the magnitude. So that is actually 1.5. So just do this at your home. L and N you calculate at your home, it will come out to be these things. Writing them out. So just you do the calculations at your home. I had done them and that I have just writing them. So vector T that is equal to কি হবে মানে 100 divided by Li plus Mj plus Nj. L I cap plus Mj cap plus N K cap. So once you put all the values, so 1.5 time common যদি বসাই, so this is 1.5 into whatever else, what else you are getting inside the bracket, you write. It is just ওই একই আসবে 0.779 I cap plus 1.2 J cap plus 0.45 K cap. So this one just you do at your home. Complete this at your home. So this is the first part about calculating T vector. So next what we need to calculate is we have to কি করতে হবে? So we have calculated T vector. This part is done. Now we have to find a unit vector in the direction of CD. Correct? Unit vector কি করে বের করে? How to calculate the unit vector in the direction? So we have to calculate n cap CD. Next part of the problem. So how to calculate n cap CD? So n cap CD that is equal to position vector RCD divided by the magnitude of the position vector RCD. So তার জন্য you have to find out the coordinates of the point D and you have to find out the coordinates of the point C. Oh sorry, এটা তো so আমাদের just so if you intend to find RCD, so that should be equal to coordinates of the point D minus coordinates of the point C. So theta is your origin actually, I think. So this one is our origin. So this is 0, 0, 0. ঠিক আছে? So whatever are the coordinates of the point D, coordinates of the point D, they will form the position vector. So D এর coordinate কি হবে বলো? X
0.9 cos
কি হবে?
theta.
Very good.
0.9 cos theta.
1.2,
1.2,
0.9 sin theta,
0.9 cos 30 degree, 1.2, তোমার লাস্টটা
0.9
হচ্ছে
sin 30.
জেডটা হচ্ছে 0.9 sin 30,
Yes, sir.
তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
0.9 sin 30 degree. বাস হয়ে গেল, আর তো কিছু নেই প্রবলেমটা। So the problem is simplified. So you just do this. It will come out to be 0.779 I cap. এটা তোমরা ইজি করতে গেলে এগুলোকে এল করে রেখে দিলেও হতো, হ্যাঁ, মানে যাই হোক ঠিক আছে, মানে L1 L2 করে রেখে দিলে, দিয়ে পরে সবকটাকে একবারে বসালে, ক্লিয়ার? মানে what I am telling is, are you able to understand or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So এইখানে তোমরা এত কিছু লিখলে না, you don't write all those things and all, just write it as something Li plus Mj plus Nk, এইভাবে তুমি রেখে দিলে, you don't need to write all those things. আর এইখানেও তুমি ওটাকে সেইভাবে রেখে দিলে, মানে keep it something like L1 I cap plus M1 J cap plus N1 K cap. Now you do the product. So এটা তো finally আমাদেরকে you have to do the dot product. So how to do the dot product? So that should be, আচ্ছা এইটা তো এলো, so এটা তো এলো, RCD টা এলো অ্যাকচুয়ালি। So RCD টাকে তুমি এবার এটাকে আবার ক্যালকুলেট করতে হবে, হ্যাঁ। সো এখানে এইটা
1.5 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করে দিলে হবে, সেমই তো আগেরটার সাথে আর এটার সাথে। আচ্ছা আগে যে ইউনিট
মানে এটা তুমি এটার ইয়ে দিয়ে ভাগ করলে, মানে once you divide it by ম্যাগনিটিউড, সেইটাই তোমার L1 গুলো হবে, ঠিক আছে? সো এইখানে আমি সেটাকে লিখছি,
ম্যাগনিটিউড
মানে
মানে সেম আসবে
তাই
1.5
আসবে, এটাকে এখানে না লিখে আমি এখানে লিখবো, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
So once you divide them, so 0.779 divided by the magnitude, so এইটা যদি তুমি পাও, so you are getting L1. So that is L1 I cap. So unit vector is L1 I cap plus M1 J cap plus N1 K cap. এখনই ক্যালকুলেশন করলাম না, আগে দেখি কি আসছে। Then you do vector T into NCD. So vector T টা কি ছিল? Magnitude of T was something. Magnitude of T কত? 100. So just leave that out into unit vector. So the first unit vector was L1 I cap. শুধু ওটা L বলেছিলাম, তাই তো? So that is L I cap plus M J cap plus N K cap dot L1 I cap plus M1 J cap plus N1 K cap. Now you do the cross dot product. So you'll be left with, I think, L1 plus M N1 plus N N1. Correct? Now you put the values. Now every value you put and you will be getting the answer. So the answer will come out to be 46 Newton. ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir.
So এটা চ্যাপ্টারটা কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেল। This chapter is complete. There are some more problems. You can do it at your home. You can try. Not needed. আমি বলবো not needed. মানে don't need to do all the problems. Every problem you don't need to do. ঠিক আছে? মানে time is limited. That is why when I suggest every problem করার দরকার নেই. Don't go for all problems in this book at this moment. তো এইটা করব, এই চ্যাপ্টারটা খুব একটা করার দরকার নেই, মোমেন্টের চ্যাপ্টার করব, স্কিপ করে গেলাম। সো আজকে কি করব না নেক্সট ডে করব? হোয়াট ইউ ফিল?
নেক্সট ডে।
হ্যাঁ,
Next day.
Next day.
ওকে। সো এইটা আজকে এখান অবধি থাক। সো লেট ইট রিমেন আপ টু দিস। নেক্সট ডে থেকে আমরা নেক্সট ডে we will be discussing this problem related to moments. এই চ্যাপ্টারটা আমরা করে নেব, করে this chapter is complete. Then we will be moving to the next chapter of equilibrium of forces.
Sir, tomorrow or
Sir, when
Saturday?
will be the semester examination? First semester?
Yeah.
When will be the semester examination, sir?
सेमेस्टर एग्जाम अभी तो सेमेस्टर स्टार्ट हुआ है, पहले सिलेबस खत्म होने दो, लेट द सिलेबस एंड।
স্যার টাইম টেবিলে বলেছে ফেব্রুয়ারি মাসে হবে।
You will be getting the ये মানে since your classes started just after pujas I think, so you will be getting time actually 3 months time I hope you should be getting for this semester. So you'll be getting the notice and all once the semester ends. Now we have just started.
Sir, according to university schedule, it is given in Feb.